Okay, Assalamu alaikum. My name is Fawad. I've been a volunteer here at Mosque for a few years now. And today we're having this open day for 2019. We had one in 2018 as well, which was very successful. Um, Basically, what we're having here is we're inviting people, primarily non-Muslims, to come in and have a look at our great center here. We've got a exhibition going on. We've got lots of posters, and of course we've got some audio, video entertainment as well, where people can come in and actually experience what Muslims generally experience in the pilgrimage in Mecca, for example. And above all, for me, it's the most important thing of this whole event is get the community interaction going between Muslims and the wider community. Primarily, of course, to sort of get the right message across to the wider community. That's it. Thank you very much.